This is feedback for Nourah on IC1. So first of all, intro really needs some help. WW is the wrong word, so change this word. The bad effects also causes many problem in community. So again, this is not the right word again. So looking here, major thing problem with the intro is the thesis. Make sure you write your thesis. I saw you wrote one in your outline, so again, you got to make sure if you're writing your outline, you got to have it here. You lose a lot of marks just for that one sentence. Phones will affect bad health, so that's why I was circling this because I think that would be part of your outline. Your thesis. You would say that the first effect is bad health, and then the second effect is wasting a lot of time. Here, you're doing reason, example, that's good. Another reason, good transition. Last reason is damage for the eyes, for example. So I think you did a good job of showing the examples and everything. But this one here, it's not really a topic sentence. You're saying many reasons, and that's kind of like causes where you're focusing on the effects. So it's not at best it's not clear, right? So you lose marks for the say something like that, and that's a simple small thing. CS means concluding sentence. Take the topic sentence of that body paragraph and write it backwards. Show me how. Here you say you don't know if I was in a good way. How would they do that? Perfect their time. How? Like, give an example of what they would do and write that here. Like, you say, create more activities with the phone. Like, give me examples, show me how that will help the children to not have health problems and waste time. Make the changes, upload it to port 1, week 9.